Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually making my creamy chicken pasta again. I have made it before on my YouTube channel, but I decided that I'm going to make it again because I didn't like how the quality was for the old one. So to start off, I used 700 grams of chicken breast, which is cut into small pieces. You can season the chicken however you like, but I use 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of some paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. I also added in around a teaspoon of black pepper, and I finished it off with half a teaspoon of some turmeric. Remember, you can season the chicken however you like, and the measurements will be in the caption. Once it's mixed well, just put the chicken to the side. For the next part, get yourself some cooking oil. I use some olive oil. You can use any type of oil you normally use to just cook your chicken with. Add in a few tablespoons, and once it's hot, add in your chicken. So once you start adding the chicken, make sure your heat is to a medium low because you don't want it to start burning. And then once the chicken is all in, make sure to give it a good mix and allow this to cook for 20 minutes on a medium to low heat. So once your chicken is cooking on the side, it's time to get yourself some veggies. I have myself 3 peppers and also 2 onions, followed by 2 chilies. So for the next part, what you're going to want to do is simply cut your peppers and your onions the same way. I like to cook them both in small dices. So once the chicken is done after 20 minutes, it's time to remove it from the pan. Once the chicken is removed, add in a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the same pan. Then on a medium to low heat, add in your peppers and your onions together. Once it's in, sweat your peppers and your onions together for around 5 to 10 minutes until they become soft. Once that's in, add in 2 green chilies. Once your sauce is cooking, it's then time to start boiling your pasta. I use 400 grams of penne pasta. For the next part of the sauce, you're going to need 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you'd like, but I just prefer to use the tins, it's much easier. When the peppers and onions look a little bit like this, it's then time to add in your tomato tins. Once the tomatoes are in, give it a good mix and make sure to cook this on a medium to low heat until everything is nicely combined. And this is literally how I make my creamy chicken pasta. And the full recipe will be in the caption down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. That's where I do post a lot more content and stories. And don't forget to subscribe as well.